If you want to jump from here from there, so you can't, but if you are taking small step, definitely you will reach there. So as per, if you are making short term goals, so you will achieve it step by step, and it definitely will help you to achieve your goals. For an example, I can make anyone's a hero or anyone's zero. I can change anyone's life if a person who is walking with me, and if you respect me, I will make you definitely something. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. So today I'm going to play a role, and in that role I will be watch. Let's get started. Hello everyone, I am Watch. I know everyone knows me, but no one knows about the importance of me. I am come in everyone's life, and I am equal in everyone's life. But some people take me very seriously, but some people ignores me. Do you know why? Because they don't know the importance of me. People who knows the importance of me, they achieve many things. For an example, I can make anyone's a hero or anyone's zero. I can change anyone's life if a person who is walking with me, and if you respect me, I will make you definitely something. Okay, so why should we respect time? Time is a thing that will never come back in our life. If you spread money and a lots of money, you will earn it again if you have time and if you have respect of time. But if you have lost time, you will never get it again. A person who has every person has 24 hours in a day, and in a day, but a person who has I am very less, but a person who has I am very much. A person who is working for their goals, working for their future, I am very less for them. But a person who is wasting me, only wasting me, he is using social sites, doing these any unnecessary work, I am very much for them. Okay, so why I am important? So I can make you feel that why I am important. I want to give you an example. In a ancient time, there was a king. He don't know the importance of me, so he was a king, and he just doing all the useless thing all over the day, and he do not work on his kingdom. One day another king came, and he make him zero, and he lost him in a war. So this is an example of me, because if he will go with according to the time, definitely he will win the war, but he didn't. So actually I was talking about goal, as I am a time and I can make you perfect for your goals, and I can follow you from your goals. So if you are working on your goals, so you should respect my firstly, because if a person who is working for your goal, they should have a goal, and for it you should make some goals like long term goals and short term goals. If you are making short term goals, it will help you, because according to the rule, we are making some long term goals, and we can't achieve it directly. If you want to jump from here from there, so you can't, but if you are taking small step, definitely you will reach there. So as per, if you are making short term goals, so you will achieve it step by step, and it definitely will help you to achieve your goals. And if I talk about myself, so if you I am again this saying this word, if you are respecting me, I will definitely respect you, and don't waste me. If you are wasting your time, so you are wasting everything. And if you are running for money, so the money will come, but when if I am with you. And if you are not wasting your time, definitely one day you will achieve your goals and whatever you want. And one more thing is there, I can make someone king and someone beggar. So we run with the time, and be respectful the time, and be focused for your goals. Thank you.